7 Health benefits of chia seeds. Chia seeds are among the healthiest foods on the planet. They reloaded with nutrients that can have important benefits for your body and brain. First benefit is chia seeds are loaded with fiber and good source of iron. 1 tablespoon of chia seeds provides 5 grams of fiber. 3 tablespoons of chia seeds provides over 2 milligrams of iron, which allows oxygen-rich blood to flow through your body and to your brain. Despite their tiny size, chia seeds are one of the most nutritious foods on the planet. They reloaded with fiber, protein, omega-3 fatty acids and various micronutrients. Second benefit is chia seeds may help build strong bones. Chia seeds are high in several nutrients that are important for bone health. Chia seeds are high in phosphorus and magnesium, 2 minerals that can help keep our bones healthy. 1 tablespoon of chia seeds contains 122 milligrams of phosphorus and 47 milligrams of magnesium. Third benefit is chia seeds may help you to lose weight. Chia seeds can aid in weight loss. The protein in chia seeds could help to reduce appetite and food intake. Fourth benefit is chia seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Chia seeds are a source of alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid that provide modest protection against cardiovascular disease. Chia seeds can help reduce bad cholesterol in the body, reduce inflammation and lower blood pressure. This means your blood flow becomes healthier, and your heart is at less risk of suffering from clots. Fifth benefit is that chia seeds reduce effects of type 2 diabetes. Studies have shown that chia seeds can reduce the resistance of the body to insulin, while reducing fat and cholesterol levels in blood. Sixth benefit is that chia seeds are high in protein. Chia seeds are one of the best sources of protein, and they also have a good balance of essential amino acids. If you don't eat many animal products, these seeds are an ideal source of protein. Seventh benefit is chia seeds are loaded with antioxidants. Chia seeds are also full of antioxidants, which can help fight against molecular damage in your cells, and fight off signs of aging. Chia seeds are incredibly easy to incorporate into your diet. A common dosage recommendation is 20 grams, about 1.5 tablespoons, of chia seeds, twice per day.